Nagbabalik po ang Rotary in Action para po sa ating Rotary Highlight. Atin pong pag-usapan ang upcoming Rotary International Convention sa susunod na taon sa buwan ng Hunyo. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, panoorin po natin ito.
Bem-vindo ao Brasil! This year, the annual Rotary International Convention will be held at Sao Paulo, Brazil. This event offers to Rotarians the perfect opportunity to connect with leaders from around the world and celebrate their shared passion for taking action in communities at home and abroad. In line with this, the Rotary International District 3780 launched its On to Sao Paulo campaign last October 25 at the Camelot Hotel, Quezon City.
Magandang gabi mga kasambahay, nahandito po tayo ngayon sa launching ng On to Sao Paulo, Brazil ng District 3780. Kasabay po nito ay ang fellowship ng mga new member. Ang team po ngayon ay superhero. Ako po si Past President Ellen Tumali para sa Rotary in Action.
This year, the RI Convention Committee of District 3780 will be led by past District Governor Danny Espinosa and Assistant Governor Aiza Remedios.
Govdan, kamusta naman po ang pagkakampaign ng bawat distrito dito sa Pilipinas ng papunta sa Sao Paulo?
Actually, ang biggest delegation ay magagaling sa Metro Manila districts. So dito manggaling siguro yung mga bulk ng attendance, no?
Classmate Aiza, mga ilan naman na expected natin na aatin sa distrito natin?
Okay, we do have a quota. At least man lang maka 50 delegates tayo, no? Gumagawa tayo ng promotion in every district event, no? So all throughout ito hanggang next year.
Come for the fellowship. Come to learn and be inspired at the 2015 Rotary International Convention.
Atin pong napanood ang On to Sao Paulo launching ng District 3780. Ako po si Past President Ellen Tumali para sa Rotary Highlights.
Iyan po mga kasambahay, mga kapwa Rotarian, ang inyo pong napanood ay ang teaser ng Rotary International Convention sa susunod na taon. At gaganapin po yan, walang iba kundi sa Sao Paulo, Brazil. For the benefit of our viewer and para na rin po sa ating kapwa Rotarian na interesadong pumunta dito sa Brazil, para dito, what's in store for them, Gob?
Okay, siyempre ito yung highlight ng isang tinatawag nating panunungkulan sa Rotary, of course, ng ating Rotary International President, kung saan makikita natin dito yung most awaited international convention. Normally, umaattend dito, pinakamababa, mga 20,000.
Wow, yeah.
And naalala ko sa Bangkok, Thailand, it went up as high as 55,000 ang delegates.
Talaga, umabot ng 55,000.
55,000. And they want to repeat this, again, dito pagdating sa malapit sa atin, sa South Korea, where they want to break the record.
Yeah.
But of course, Sao Paulo, Brazil, alam mo, Gov Jess, I'm going there, I'm now registered. Ito pala, ang travel time 26 hours.
More than a day. More than a day.
Coming from Manila. Yeah.
Wow.
Kaya maano natin na talagang from the Philippines, it will take a lot of sacrifice to be able to attend to this Rotary International Convention.
And June, that is because I think the usual routes would be via US, no?
Yun ang pinaka-familiar tayo kasi mamamasal pa tayo sa US. Lalo na yung mga may US visa, siyempre dalawin na natin yung ating mga kamag-anak doon. Ano?
Para di maganda-gandang biyahe. Now, usually, ano po ba yung kahalagahan nito at yung mga tinatalakay dito sa Rotary International Convention? Kung ano po bang mga tayo ay dapat pumunta rito?
Well, of course, yung International Convention, as Governor Jun explained, is really the culminating activity in the Rotary year, no? So, nandito, of course, will be some kind of a report by our incumbent RI President on the year that transpired, on the Rotary year that transpired. Especially that this is going to be held in June, he would be happy to report on what has happened since June or July of the previous year up to the end of the Rotary year. So yun ang report niya. And then of course there will be inspirational messages that will come from various guests, no? So meron tayong mga iimbitahan for sure na mga, I do not know yet who we will invite or who Rotary will invite sa Sao Paulo, but traditionally we have really outstanding speakers who will speak on their own personal involvement with Rotary and on the advocacies that they themselves push, no?
Okay, maganda yan. Marami pa yan. Siguro, di-discuss natin. Kulang na. May dadagdag ka, Gob.
Nung nakaraan sa Sydney International Convention, ang ginawang programa ay plenary session sa umaga at sa hapon naman ay breakout sessions. Kung saan,
Sa breakup session, anong ating pinag-uusapan?
napakarami. Like sa Sydney, and I'm sure this will also happen sa Sao Paulo, there were 50 topics. Very interesting topics ranging from club administration to district administration, membership, Rotary Foundation, public image, everything that you should know about Rotary, pinapakita rito. At ang kagandahan, yung pinaka-top caliber speakers, yun ang mapapakinggan natin. The best among the best na magsasabi sa atin, ano na ba ang latest
Kaya
in
talaga
Rotary.
pagkagali mo, talagang inspired na inspired ka pagbalik mo no?
Ang tawag nila doon, fully loaded.
Yeah.
Fully loaded
Now,
Rotary information.
And then of course let us not forget that this is an occasion for fellowship.
Yes,
We will meet
A lot.
thousands of Rotarians from different countries. June said 55,000 nga sa Bangkok. And I do not know how many in Sydney, but there will be thousands of Rotarians that you will have the opportunity to meet during the International Convention. And every one of you are in that festive atmosphere ba? Na gusto talaga makipagkaibigan and so on. So talagang masaya. It's a
Kasi may friendship booth tayo dyan Kaya
House
magdala
of
kayo ng
Friendship.
mga
House of Friendship.
yung mga club plugs nyo and club
Banners.
pin, banners. Anyway, sino po ba ang pwedeng umattend dito? Ito po ba ay Rotarian lang? Pwede bang mag-join kahit hindi... Like for example, sasama mo yung asawa mo, yung mga anak mo. Pwede rin silang umattend.
Pwede.
Okay.
So normally Rotarians, dahil ito yung ating convention, but kasama rin ng spouses, kasama rin ng children of Rotary, kasama rin ng Rotaract, and all others belonging to the family of Rotary. At
Ay, yung iba naman.
mabanggit ko lang, meron palang ano tayo rito, lahat ng mga Philippine Rotarians na delegates should attend the Asia Breakfast. And this will happen on June 7.
Yan.
Yan, meron ng hotel yan, but i-announce natin later kung ano yung hotel, ano. Alas 7 ng umaga sa Sao Paulo, Brazil. Asia Breakfast for Philippine delegates.
So, okay. Siguro maraming na pupulot dito yung ating mga Rotarian na uma-attend ng International Convention. Ano-ano po ba yung nagagawa sa Rotarian pag ikaw ay pumunta sa convention na to?
siyempre ang una-una dyan, ipamamasyal, no?
Oo, kasi taon sa Mardi Gras yun, di ba? Sa Sao Paulo.
Well, doon ginaganap, pero magkakaroon sila ng sariling Mardi Gras.
Ang Rotary.
Ang Rotary,
Aba,
sponsored
maganda
by
yan.
Rotary International.
Oo.
Magandang mapanood yan.
Yeah,
So-
I mean, you can imagine the festivities that will happen considering that this will be held in Sao Paulo, Brazil, no? So I'm sure napakasaya. So like I said, for many of us in the Philippines, ito ay isang oportunidad para makapamasyal sa Brazil, ma-experience yung Mardi Gras na maaring sa TV lamang natin nakikita so far, no?
At saka doon halos mamimit mo kaibigan mo Kasi basta Rotarian, feeling mo kaibigan mo
Oo, yun nga.
So
Isa
hindi
pa-
ka dudukutan, hindi ka hassle. Yeah.
So,
may dadagdag ka pa?
Ako, kaya ako uma-attend dyan kasi ako naniniwala na balang araw ang Philippines ay mag-host din ng International
good luck.
Convention. At gusto ko lang ibalita na we just submitted the 2019 bid.
Wow.
The bid for the hosting of the 2019 International Convention right here in Manila. Ayan.
Okay.
And
So,
let's
good luck.
all pray na we will be chosen.
At sige, bago natin na i-discuss yung iba. Yan po ang bumubuo ng discussion ng natin sa Rotary Highlight. Susunod na po ang PCRG Corners sa pagbabalik ng Rotary in Action.